Hello, today we are going to discuss MacBook and Mac OS command short keyboard shortcuts. Today we are discussing Command plus K that is used for insert hyperlinks in your text. In Keynote, you can just need to select the text you want to add hyperlinks and then press Command K. It will open the small pop-up where you can select what you want to do. If I want to, then I select the text go slide 1. So I want to go it to select first slide. Go to first slide. I select and go to slide. No, every time I click on it, it will take me to the slide 1. During presentation, when I click it, it will take me to the slide 1. Yeah, you can see. If I want to go to next slide, I just need to select the text I want to implement and press Command K. You can see it will go to next slide and I will press enter. It will implement it. You can see here, I click, it will go to my next slide. Similarly, we can implement in go for previous slide. If we want to open an email composer, we just need to select the text as it is my email ID and press Command K. And from the link to, I will select the email. It will open the email composer. I add any email layer. Subject and press enter. Now it is implemented. As I click it, it will open the email composer during my presentation. Next, if we want to open a URL, on clicking the text we press Command K and select the website. It will show and you can add any text that you want to open. As I click it, it will we need to add the link URL. I add it and click save it. Now I click on it, it will take me to the my YouTube channel. You can see. Next is a phone number. If you want to open it phone dialer, you need to Command K and select phone number. It will dial that number. I just add it again. You can see I click it, it will start calling me. Thanks for watching.